Hey guys, we're gonna try to test drive this 84 Pontiac Trans Am, and I've never tested this out. I don't know when the last time this thing ever ran, if it ever ran at all. But in order to run the car itself, it takes 6 C batteries plus 4 AA batteries. The transmitter takes 6 AA batteries. This won't be a long video, I just want to see if it runs. So this is my first time trying it out. 6 AA batteries are in the transmitter. Let's seal that up. It turns on. Antenna's ready. Alright, this is it. Oh man. All those batteries in this car, it's ridiculous. I hate it. Alright, I'm gonna seal it up. Let's find the on switch on here. Oh, why is it going? Wait. Oh. Well, it's definitely moving. Oh, no wonder the alignment's going here. Okay, that's weird. Alright, let's see if it runs. The lights are going on. Alright, let's see how fast it goes. Now, these batteries are not new, so I don't know how fast it's going to go. Let me start over. Let me start back a little bit. You ready? Okay, I want to reiterate that these batteries are not new. It's kind of slow. Hold on. It moves. I want to try with fresh batteries though. Hold on. Yeah, look at the lights. Huh. Maybe we'll try on a hard surface. And the batteries were not new, so that's probably why it was going slow. It did go a little bit faster on the concrete, but for what I have in mind, I don't have anything crazy for it. But I think with a fresh set of batteries, it's going to go a little bit faster than that. Now, this is exciting though, because I've never seen anyone drive this RC car on YouTube, which is where I'm going to upload it. So this is the first, I think, to show this video or this car in motion. But yeah, I do want to get fresh batteries so that you can see it going the way it's supposed to be going. And that's all I want to say about that. I just, you know, I've harped on about this in my old RC car videos where I talked about RC cars from the 80s, like my Audi Quattro, which took like the same amount of batteries, and it just destroyed those batteries like they were nothing. But yeah, it's cool driving these. It's just, man, what a drain on the batteries.